Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raghavan. Today we are going to see how to create the S3 bucket via console. This series is all about Amazon Boto3. However, we are going to understand how to create the S3 bucket via console so that it will be easier to go into the programming level of approaching for creating the S3 bucket using the Boto3. So this video we are going to see how to create S3 bucket using the console. So already I have logged in with the Boto3 user, which is the IAM user. Just type S3. So before jumping into the S3 creation, we will understand a little bit about the S3. So S3 stands for Simple Storage Service inside the AWS. It is like your simple way you can understand like a hard disk in your system. Wherever you shut down your system, the memory or let's say the information will be saved into hard disk. Whenever you reboot your system, the same data can be collected again. It is same like our S3 buckets. It is saving the images or it is saving the files or any type of files in the format of objects. So in case of EC2, if you shut down the system, you will not be having any information about the details. So you need to have some kind of storage device which is called the S3 in AWS. Apart from this basic definition, you will have some more advantages over the S3 things, which are like logging. So logging will provide all the activities what you are going to do in your S3 buckets. And the versioning, it will allow the different versions of object. For example, if you create some files, if you are doing a different kinds of actions over the file over a period of time, so those information, those details will be saved into your versioning. Again, it is the optional one. And after that, it is having the security as usual like other products under the AWS bucket. And after that, we can have the integration with all the AWS products inside your AWS cloud. Then after that, if you have any simple static website hosting, you don't need actually EC2. You can do with the S3 itself. So these are some theory definitions about the S3, but we will try to get how to create the S3 here. So here you can do the S3, and here you can see how many buckets you have or how many S3 buckets you have. You can see it here. Currently, I don't have any bucket, so I'm going to click on the create bucket. It is simple UI kind of thing. So let's say Boto3 bucket demo. It should be unique in your region. Whatever the region you are choosing, in that region this name should be unique. Click next. And these are some options that we discussed here. So versioning and server access logging and the different tags for the building purpose or to track the project cost. So an object level logging and default encryption. So there are other options. For simplicity, we will just skip this and we will click on the next. But based on the needs, you can choose any one of these or all the options. Then after, who are the people you are going to give the access? So those can be controlled from here. Pub, block public access. So this can be unchecked here. That means that you are disabling the block for all public access. So that means that I acknowledge current settings may result in the bucket objects within the becoming public. Okay, for demo purpose, we can do this one, but however, in real time, you may be giving the different groups to access this bucket for the different, let's say, access levels. Then click on OK, fine. So now we are going to review all the things what we have given, the bucket name and what is the region and what are the options we have chosen, versioning, server success logging, whether we have disabled or enabled, default encryption, CloudWatch, object lock and permission levels to the people and system permissions disables. Okay, fine. Now click on the create bucket. Now we can see the bucket is visible here and it has access object can be public. So now you click on the bucket and you can see the what are the files we have here. It is very simple, drag and drop. You can drag and drop the files or you can click on the upload button. You can upload the different things. For simplicity, I will go to here. So I'm going to open one file and I'm going to upload into the AWS S3 bucket. So click on the documents, AWS, and here I have the Boto3 notes text. So here I can just drag and drop. So now you can see, click on upload button. So it is in progress, 100% successful. Here you can see the file. It is same like your normal Google Drive or something. but it has some other options, and it is integratable with other AWS products as well. We can do a lot of things using the S3 buckets, but however, in this video, we have seen how to create the S3 bucket and how to upload the document. It is very simple concept in case of console, but we are going to see in the next video how to do the same thing using the AWS CLI commands, so that we will be familiar with the normal UI, how to create the S3 bucket and how to upload the document. The same way we can use the CLI, how to create the S3 bucket and how to upload. In the last video, we will be actually looking into the Boto3 Python code, how to create the S3 bucket and how to upload the document using the Boto3. So thanks for watching and have a great day.